Hi everyone, my name is Selena and today we're going to be discussing organic chemistry nomenclature and alkene diagrams. First of all, what is an alkene? You might recall that alkanes are fully saturated hydrocarbon chains. Examples include methane, which looks a bit like this, a C with 4 H's attached to it, or propane, which looks like this, or butane, ethane, octane, you get the gist. These lines represent carbon-carbon single bonds. So you've got a C here and a C here, and each carbon within the chain has 2 hydrogens attached to it, while the carbons on the end have 3. Because of this, they are considered fully saturated. Alkenes, on the other hand, are not considered fully saturated because they contain at least 1 double bond between 2 carbon atoms. So that would look a little bit like this. Now, because this double bond requires the loss of hydrogen atoms, alkenes are considered unsaturated. The general formula for alkenes is CnH2n. So if I've got C4, that means I must have H8, which would look a bit like this. Now, alkynes contain at least 1 triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. Those would look something like this. We aren't going to be focusing on alkanes or alkynes in this video, but it is important to understand what they are and how they are different from alkenes. Naming alkenes boils down to a few different rules. The suffix of all alkenes is -ene, and this is a list of all the prefixes that you might find useful. So you've got pro, eth, meth, oct, bute, and these are essentially used based on the number of carbons that are in the chain. For alkenes containing more than 3 carbons, so anything greater than propene, you would number the carbons so that the carbon-carbon double bond has the lowest number. For example, if I've got a chain like this and the carbon-carbon double bond is here, then let's go in both directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, instead of naming it 5, we would name it so that it has 1, 2. So you would have 2-hexene. Now that we've gone over a couple of the rules for naming and drawing alkenes, thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this video useful.